Adobe's just released some pretty interesting tools for Photoshop that make it easier than ever to edit objects and people into other photographs, and it means that absolutely anyone can now do those things, which is really cool, but also kind of terrifying. The first and the most important of these features is something called Harmonize. This is a photo compositing feature. What that basically means is that you're mashing photos together and make them look natural in a way like they've always appeared. Let's put a hat on this squirrel. It will now do most of the tricky bits for you. It will analyze the background, it will change the tone, the depth, the color. It might even add some shadows to try and make the results look as realistic as possible. And that's something that used to take quite a lot of time and experience. The Photoshop object removal tool has also just been updated, so it's a little bit more consistent. You'll have fewer unwanted background elements when you're trying to remove objects from images. And most importantly, if you ask it to remove something now without replacing it with a generative AI inserted image, it will now do so. You'll just be left with a clean background most of the time. Adobe is also introducing a generative AI image upscaling tool, which can apparently add about 8 megapixels to low quality images. This just means that you can make low quality assets look quite nice if you need to use them on social media or other online platforms, or maybe you want to restore some old photographs and make them look a little bit crisper. These features are currently in beta, which means that you do need to have the Photoshop beta app. They are going to come to the app eventually, and on iOS mobile, where it's currently in early access. I'm not entirely sure that we're ready for a world where absolutely anybody can Photoshop an image and make it look fairly natural, but we're about to find out together.